Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see the one of the important branch in the mathematics, that is algebra. In this we are going to learn about basic things in algebra. Let us see small example. When we add 4 and 2, we get the number 6. This statement can be written as 4 plus 2 equal to 6. And another example, when we want to say a number obtained by adding 5 and 5, this statement can be written as 5 plus 5. So, the arrangement of numbers like 5 plus 5, 4 plus 2 are called as expressions. Expression is nothing but express the statement into a short form. Now we are going to know about equality expressions. For example, the expressions like 5 plus 5, 17 minus 7, 5 into 2 and 20 divided by 2. See, when we add 5 plus 5, we get the answer as 10. When we subtract 7 from 17, we get the answer as 10. When we multiply 5 and 2, we get the product as 10. Similarly, when we divide the 20 by 2, we get the answer 10. So, the value of each of these expressions is 10, which means all these expressions are equal to each other. So, we can write these expressions as 5 plus 5 equal to 17 minus 7 equal to 5 into 2 equal to 20 divided by 2, or 5 plus 5 equal to 17 minus 7 or 5 plus 5 equal to 20 divided by 2 is called an equality expression. When the two expressions having the same value, then the two expressions is called equality expressions. Now, what is inequality expressions? If two expressions or numbers are not equal, one of them is greater or smaller than the other, this kind of representation is called an inequality expression. For example, the value of expression 9 minus 5 is 4 and the value of expression 25 divided by 5 is 5. Here the value of these two expressions is not equal. 4 is less than 5, which means the expression 9 minus 5 is less than the expression 25 divided by 5. So, this type of expressions is called inequality expressions. Now, we learn what is expression, what is inequality and equality expressions. Now, we are going to see how to write the numbers into expressions. For example, using brackets, write 3 pairs of numbers whose sum is 12. Use them to write 3 equalities. See here we have to create the pair of numbers whose sum is 12. For example, I take the pair of numbers 4 and 8 whose sum is equal to 12. And I took another pair, that is 6 plus 6 equal to 12. And one more pair is 9 plus 3 equal to 12. These three expressions give the same value, that is 12. So, we can write these three expressions as equalities. 4 plus 8 equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 9 plus 3 equal to 12. Okay. Now, we saw how to write the expression. Now, we are going to see how to compare two expressions. Say whether true or false. First one, 23 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 23. Here they are given one statement which contains two expressions and we have to tell whether the statement is correct or wrong. For that, first take the statement, that is 23 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 23. To find out whether the given statement is correct or wrong, first take the left side expression and find the value of 23 plus 4. 23 plus 4 is equal to 27. Find out the value of right side expression, that is 4 plus 23 equal to 27. Both the sides we got the same value. So the given statement is correct. So we can say the given statement is true. If we want to find out whether the given statement is true or false, we have to find out the value of both the sides expressions. Then we have to compare the statement. Okay. One more important thing in algebra is use of letters. In algebra, letters can be used like symbols to make our writing short and simple. By using letters and symbols, we can write the properties in a short manner and we can remember that one easily. For example, see the property. The sum of a number and 0 is the number itself. Here we have the small property, that is sum of any number and the 0 is the number itself. Now we have to use any letter to represent this property. For example, let A be any number. Then A plus 0 equal to A, which means the sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. Here we express the property in a short manner. Let us see another example. The product of any two numbers and the product obtained after changing the order of those numbers is the same. To express this property in a short manner by using letters, first let us use A and B to represent any two numbers. Now what is our property? The product of any two numbers, that is A into B, is equal to the product obtained after order is changed, that is B into A. So A into B equal to B into A. So the above property can be written in a short form as A into B equal to B into A. Okay. This is the basic algebra which we use to express the properties in a short manner by using letters and symbols. In higher classes, you will use this algebra to find out the unknown values. Hope you like my video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, friends. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel.